Hi guys, Jeff Clark, Sources Apprentice. My stove is about 15 years old, and yesterday the door started to fall apart, so I thought it is time to get a new stove. You guys have heard me talk about this discount warehouse. It's about an hour from my house. Well, they also have a bunch of appliances, so I actually went over there to buy a new stove. And of course, I can't just go and buy a new stove without doing some sourcing, right? So I did some sourcing to see if I can pay for my stove. Let me show you what I got. I did grab a couple of books. These are both books that I've gotten before at Bailey's. This time I just cleaned off the shelf. I got 12 of these. Rank on both of these is under $1 million, and they're selling for 13 to 16 bucks. Only paid like $2 here, $3 for that one, so pretty good payout there. And I've exhausted the stock that I bought in January, so this should last me for a little bit. This is, I'm not even sure. It's called a bloat blocker, and it says things like dishwasher safe and fits in the pet bowl. So I guess it's kind of a digestive aid for your pet. I don't know. I have no idea how it works. Rank is a little high. It's 300,000 in pets, but you know, so I won't send all of these in at one time. They were only 99 cents, you know, and Amazon's selling them for 14 bucks. And because they're so small and light, the payout is like $8 on them. So that's like $7 net profit for me. So that's pretty cool. Fun Slides Carpet Skates. Man, they had an entire skid full of these things. I didn't buy the whole skid. I just bought 10 of them to test. They're $1.49 a piece, and they're selling on Amazon for $11.50. But if these sell quickly, I'll go back and get some more. Here's another strange pet product. It's a dog mat. Again, dishwasher safe. Actually, I think this is by the same manufacturer. There were 8 of these. I got them for $4 a piece, and they sell for $26 each. So that's pretty cool. Also got a bunch of light bulbs. Guys, you think you can sell something as boring as light bulbs? Believe me, you can. Okay, I've got 4 different types of light bulbs here, and these are strange little shaped light bulbs. They go in appliances or, you know, microwaves or whatever. I don't know what they go in, but all of these were 99 cents a piece. Okay, the 10 packs are 99 cents a piece, and on Amazon the ranks are right around 200,000-300,000 in home lighting, whatever, and they're all selling for $20 to $25 each. Now Amazon has listings for the individual bulbs, but you know, they're only like $4 or $5 the individual bulbs. Well, you can't make any money on Amazon at $4 or $5 because the FBA fees will eat up all your profit. But on a 10-pack, I can make a crap ton of money. Buying these for 99 cents, selling them for 20 to 25, you betcha. So my entire bill, that's all I got right there. Okay, my entire bill yesterday at Bailey's for this stuff was $135, and my net profit after FBA fees and cost of goods, $834 net profit. And my stove only cost me $300. So I went to buy a stove and I actually made money. You think you can make money going and buying appliances? You bet you can. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Tell me what you're finding in your sourcing.